nearly 20 cases of whooping cough. Now, the Rochelle School District recently announced that it saw its first confirmed cases this week. It also confirmed at Oregon and Polo high schools. Now, the health department says it does not know what's causing these cases, adding that the students have recently been vaccinated. Now, signs and symptoms of whooping cough include low-grade fever, coughing, and a runny nose.
If you're experiencing any of those symptoms, go home, make an appointment with your doctor, and then stay home until you get either a negative result or you've been on antibiotics for 5 days.
And the Ogle County Health Department adds that it is encouraging students to wash their hands more, as well as trying to keep a 3-foot barrier from their peers.